We are going to start our lesson 4.3, sorting materials. Sorting materials. Say with me, boys, what is the name of the topic? Sorting materials. So, what is sorting materials? As we have studied in the previous lessons, what are materials? So, in this topic, we are going to discuss that how can we sort them? How can we sort these materials? How can we sort these materials? So there are different materials all around the world as we have studied in lesson 1: wood, plastic, paper, glass, concrete, rock, and all of these that we have studied. Now, what we are going to do, we are going to know how can we sort them, how can we recycle materials. What is the meaning of recycle? To reuse these things, to make them renewable, make them new, and use them again. Recycle means to make these materials which are already used, make them, recycle them, make them new, and use them once again. So, this is good for the environment. This is good for the environment if we use or reuse the materials. It is very good for our environment. So, what is environment? The surroundings all around us is called environment. Okay. So when we reuse the materials, we make them as new, we recycle them and use them again. In this way, first of all, what happens? First of all, we can the trash is not made. We can use them again, and it is also beneficial for the environment. What is that? It is beneficial for the environment to recycle the materials. Sorting means to arrange. What is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means to arrange. So, in this lesson, we are going to arrange the materials according to their properties. We can recycle materials. What is the recycle means? First of all, we are going to know what is recycling means. Recycle means any materials we can make new from that one is called recycle. Recycle means to make a new form the old material. Environment. So in the environment we are, what is the environment? The surroundings, the place where we are living. If we recycle the materials that can be recycled, it will be very good for the environment. It is very good thing to recycle the materials that can be recycled. Okay, so when we are not recycling the materials, what is the problem? There will be a lot of pollution in our environment. So here, as you can see in your books or in your screens, how many cans are there? One, two, three, four. So there are many things here. Here are many things: bottles, cola, card, bag, paper, book. These are basically the things that are made of different materials. These things are made of different materials. So these are different things that are made of different materials. So now we have to decide which things can be recycled, which things can be recycled, which things we can renew them, we can make them new. So there are particular things that we can recycle. There are some things that cannot be recycled. So those things we are going to throw them in trash in Zubala. We are going to throw them. So we are only going to keep the things that can be recycled or renewed. Okay, number one, all the bottles that are made of glass. So where we are going to put them? We are going to put them in green box. We are going to put them in green box. So all the things that are made of glass, we are going to put them in green box. Okay. All the things, glass, plates, everything that is made of glass, we are going to put them in green bin or green basket. Number two is paper. All the papers, the book, the worksheets, the notebooks that you have used, where are you going to put them? You are going to put them in yellow box. Look here. We are going to put them in yellow bin. After glass and paper, we have plastic bin. Here we have plastic bin. The things that are made of plastic, we are going to put them in blue box. Okay. Why we are putting them in these boxes? To make them renew, to recycle them, to use them again. So from the old materials, we are going to make new things, new materials. From old materials, we are going to make new things. What we are going to do, boys, we are using old materials and make them the new. So in the red box, we are going to put the things that cannot be recycled. So the things that are cannot be recycled, rubbish, we are going to throw them in red bin. Okay. So they cannot be recycled. So we are going to throw them in green red bin. Here, as you can see in your books, there are some childrens and some girls. They are going to sort the things. How they are going to sort? They are going to sort the things with the materials according to their properties. Okay, the first girl is saying, which of these materials could be used again? She is asking a question, which of these materials could be used again? So the next girl is saying, the plastic bottle can be recycled. So from this plastic bottle, we can make new things. We can make new things. So they are going to put here. It could be made into another bottle. What we are going to do, we are going to use old plastic bottle and make new from them. So the third girl, she is holding a shirt. She is saying the fabric of the clothes can be used to make new clothes. As you know, boys, the clothes are made of fabric. So the girl is saying we can make new clothes from the old clothes. From Gadim, we can make Jadid clothes or Jadid Malabis. We can make them. So the last girl is saying the paper can be recycled to make new paper. So the books are made of paper. So the paper can be recycled as well. We can make new paper from the old paper. We can make new paper from the old paper. Okay. So in the orange, you are going to put paper. Why you are going to put the papers in the orange bin? Because paper can be recycled. So these things that we are seeing, they can all be recycled. These all things can be recycled. So there are some things that cannot be recycled. So we are going to throw them in red bin. So put when we are going to put in these boxes, what is going to happen? We are going to send these boxes to the company, to the shirika. Okay, and they are going to make the new things from these old materials. So here is the box where we are going to throw. It is also made of paper, so we are going to put it in yellow. So here is our glass. Where are we going to put the glass? In the green bin. Book. Books. Where are we going to put the book? We are going to put the books in blue bin. Where we are going to put the books and all the papers? We are going to put them in blue bin, so that glass, paper, glass, paper, plastic, clothes, these all can be recycled. So we are going to put them in their bins and send it to the company. So they make it, they use these materials to make new things, and we can buy it from the shop again. Okay, this is how the pollution is not made. There will, if there will be no more many trash, then our environment will be, then our environment is going to be more fresh, it is going to be healthy, we are going to get fresh air. With the plastic bag we can make plastic things. So with the papers we can make new books, we can make new cartons. With the glass we can make new things with the glass. Okay, understood, boys? What is the meaning of sorting? Sorting means to arrange. What is the meaning of recycle? Recycle means to reuse things, to make the old things new. Okay, so here all the things that the students or the girls are holding, they all can be recycled. So what you are going to do from now on, you are going to have the bins like this, and you are going to sort them. You are going to put them in recycle bin to make our environment healthy and clean. So the things that cannot be recycled, what we are going to do, we are going to put them in red box. Understood? This was our lesson. So if you have any question, you can ask me now. If you have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask me now. This was very easy topic. In this topic, what we have learned that the things can be recycled. Their materials can be recycled. How they are going to be recycled? Only by arranging them. We are going to throw the glass bin into glass things into glass bin, paper things into paper bin, plastic things into plastic bin, and send it to the sharika, send it to the company. Okay, so they can put it in the machines and make them new. Yes, Turkey, you have any question?
No.
Okay, so understood. Now open, how many time we have? Oh, we have a lot of time. Now open your science notebooks so we can write the vocabulary words. Hurry up, open your science notebooks so we can write the vocabulary words in our science notebooks. Okay, what we are going to write first of all? First of all, we are going to write the date. So what is the date? Who is going to tell me what is the date today, boys? Today is 17. What is the date?
Sunday.
Not day. I'm talking about date. Date is 17
17. One.
January.
Teacher, you can see the screen. 20, 21.
2021. Okay. Now day. What is the day?
Teacher, you can see the screen.
How you cannot see the screen? Check again because everyone can see the screen. The screen you have been okay.
I see it. Screen.
Good. Maybe then there is problem with him in his. Okay. Now the day. What is the day today? Sunday. And then we are going to write the topic. What is the topic? Sorting materials.
Teacher, I want to write.
Sorry, you cannot write on my notebook. You should write on your own notebook. Open your notebook, Turkey, and write it there. Okay?
We don't not see the screen. And me.
Okay, now. Now you can see the screen.
Yes. Yes. Teacher, me.
Okay, write with me. Yes, Sami, what's problem? Not see the screen?
Yes.
Good. Okay. What is the first word? First word is recycle.
We circle.
Write it on your notebooks, boys. Hurry up. Then we have group.
Have go. Teacher, can you move up? Teacher,
Yes,
can you move up?
sure. Why not?
Oh.
Here you can see the screen now. Okay, first word is recycle, group, sort, shiny, and test. These are the vocabulary words. So write them in your notebook and memorize them. In writing class, we are going to have dictation for these words. So hurry up, write them and on your notebooks. Write and memorize them. Recycle, group, sort, shiny, test. These are the 5 words, vocabulary words. Hurry up, write them in your notebook and memorize them.
Teacher, I am finished. Teacher, I am finished.
Good. Read the words. What you have written, read them.
Yes.
First word is recycle. Recycle.
Recycle.
Hmm.
Group.
Yes, group.
Sort.
Sort.
She, mm, she,
Shiny.
she,
Shiny.
shiny,
Hmm.
this,
Test. Yes, good boy.
shiny,
Okay, who else has finished? Anyone? Those who have finished, read the words. What is the first word? Recycle, group, sort, shiny, test. Yes, read the word.
recycle, group, sort,
Hmm.
sort,
Shiny.
shiny, test.
Hmm. Test. Good boy. Okay, Albara. You
Yes,
read.
teacher.
Sami, wait for your
Yes,
turn.
Wait,
Yes,
recycle,
yes, Albara. Read for the words.
recycle.
Hmm.
Teacher, I finished. Sort, shiny. Teacher, I finished. Test.
Yes, good. Okay, good thing, Sultan. Now, Sami, you read the words.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read the words, boy.
Recycle,
Recycle, yes.
group,
Hmm.
sort,
Sort, yes.
type,
Shiny.
shiny,
Hmm.
test,
Test.
test.
Read them again.
again.
Recycle. Hmm.
Group,
Sort.
group, sweet, sweet, sweet,
Sort.
sort,
Shiny.
shiny, test, test, test.
Okay, good. Well done. Okay, boys, you have homework in your activity book, page number 21. Okay,
Teacher, finish.
good. If you finish, good. So, what is your homework for today? You have to memorize the vocabulary words and complete your activity book, page number 21. You just have to sort the things, okay?
Breathe.
You just have to sort the things. Okay, take care, and I'm going to see you tomorrow in your class. Goodbye.
Teacher, finish.
Good thing if you finish. Those who have not finished, I will ask me and I will send you the picture. Good evening.